Good morning, students. Let us begin with a new chapter today, that is data entry and keyboarding skills. Introduction. In order to enhance operational skills in the use of computers, knowledge of efficient and effective keyboard skills and typing has become inevitable today. With consistent and sincere efforts, we can master keyboarding skills and acquire high speed. Keyboarding skills. Keyboard is the most common text-based input device. Computer keyboards are similar to electronic typewriter keyboards with additional keys. A keyboard generally has more than 100 keys. Each key of keyboard corresponds to a single symbol. Some symbols require pressing and holding several keys simultaneously or in sequence. It allows entering alphabets, digits, and symbols into the computer. A touch typist knows the location on the keyboard through the muscle memory. Touch typing typically involves placing the 8 fingers in a horizontal row along the middle of the keyboard, the home row. A touch typist starts by placing his or her fingers on the start position in the middle row and knows which finger to move and how much to move it for reaching any required key. It is important to learn placing fingers into the start position blindly. Typing speed generally improves with practice. The typing speed can be increased gradually and speeds of 60 WPM. What is WPM? It is words per minute or higher can be achieved. Many websites and software products like Rapid Typing Tutor are available to learn touch typing and many of these are free. Let us learn types of keys. Though there are several input devices like mouse, touchscreen, character or voice recognition, etc., used for giving input to the computer. Yet, the use of keyboard is the most common method adopted for input of data into a computer. A computer keyboard contains the following types of keys. Alphanumeric keys. As we already know, we always type from A to Z or numbers from 0 to 9. Punctuation keys. All of these keys associated with punctuation such as comma, period, dot is known as the period, semicolon, brackets, parenthesis, and so on. Also, all of the mathematical operators such as plus sign, minus sign, or equal to sign. Arrow keys. We have 4 arrow keys to move the cursor up, down, right, and left. Caps lock key. It is a toggle key. Toggle means on-off key, which when activated causes all alphabetic characters to the uppercase. Function keys. Special keys labeled from F1 to F12. These keys have different meaning depending on which program is running. Control key. The control key is used in conjunction with other keys to produce control characters. The meaning of each control character depends on which program is running. For example, if I press Ctrl X, what will happen? That selected word or the text will cut. Ctrl C is for copy. Ctrl V is for paste. So it depends what we want to do with it. There is generally always the confusion between backspace key and delete key. Today, this confusion of yours will be removed. Backspace key. It deletes the characters just to the left of the cursor and moves the cursor to that position. Delete key. The delete key deletes the characters at the current cursor position or the selected object. but does not move the cursor. For graphic-based applications, the delete key deletes the character to the right side of the text. Escape key. The escape key is used to send special codes to devices and to exit or escape